Hi everyone. Don't know how well this is recording because it's pretty washed out on this screen, but a few miles up from the house I saw this and I just had to stop and capture a little of this. I don't know if you can hear the sound of this, but it's just beautiful and peaceful. I'm sitting here on a rock. You can see there I'm almost into the snow line. That's really, really steep. I'm holding it up really high angle. I don't know if you can get that. That mountain's right here. If I walked over 100 yards, 150 yards, I'd be at the base of that sucker. Probably 600 or 700 feet high, I'd guess, from here. And I'm already up pretty dang high. But thought I'd share. Sitting here on a rock. Right in it.